Hey there, YouTube friends. I'm in the middle of working on one of my bathrooms. I'm painting the ceiling walls and trim. And while I'm at it, I am going to change the hardware on the door because you can see that hinge is all rusted and there's paint on it. The house is about 50 years old, so it needs some sprucing up. I figure while I'm at it, I'll do a video. I'm sure there's lots of new homeowners out there and they might want to get involved with home improvements, and this is an easy job to do. I'm going to show you how to swap out the doorknob too. Give it a new look, freshen it up a little bit. And there's other jobs you could do if you want to endeavor into home improvements. We're going to paint this bathroom vanity. We did that in another bathroom already. I'll give a link at the end of the video, show you how to do that. Other little things like changing a shower head. And these are all little jobs you could do to build up your confidence, and like I did 20 years ago. So here we go. Alright, now the first thing I'm going to do is remove the hinge from the door frame using my cordless drill. If you're a new homeowner, I suggest you definitely get a cordless drill because it'll be your best friend. And we're just going to take these 3 screws out. Okay, now we're going to take the top hinge off. It wouldn't be a bad idea to have somebody hold the door for you, but these doors are light because they're hollow, so you can hold it yourself. So I'm just going to take these 3 screws out. Okay, so I'm holding the door with one hand, and we can just take it off like that and set it to the side. With the door propped up against a wall, we're just going to take the hinges off. And you want to take these hinges to the hardware store with you because you want to make sure you buy the right one. In this case, you can see this hinge has rounded corners, and they make some that are square, so they have a 90-degree edge there. This one is rounded, so you want to take them to Lowe's or Home Depot, wherever you go. Make sure you get the right hinges. Okay, now we're going to take the doorknob off, and it's just held in with 2 Phillip head screws. Back that out. Take this one out over here. Just pulls off, and you pull the other part out from the back. Now we just have to take the latch out. It's just a matter of taking these 2 screws out. Sometimes there's paint stuck in there, so you just gotta pry it out a little bit. Okay, now we'll take out the strike plate. Here's the hardware we picked up at Lowe's. These hinges were about $4 a piece, and I believe the doorknob was about 13. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is install the hinges. I'll put the bottom hinge on. Now we'll put the strike plate on. Okay, now we're going to put the latch on. And you want to make sure you put it on the right way. So the strike plate is over here. It's going to go on like that. Okay, now I'm going to install the doorknob. I had to flip the door around so you can see the inside of the door. So here's the lock. Put the one part in, just like that. Now it's just a matter of lining things up. And we just have to install these 2 screws. Okay, now we'll just hang the door. It helps if you have somebody hold it, but if you don't have anybody around, you could just put a piece of wood under the door to prop it up. Here's a final look at the bathroom. That new knob and the hinges gave that door a fresh, new, clean look. Rita did a topper for the window right here. If you're into sewing, she did a video. I'll put a link at the end of this one you could check out. And other little things we did to spruce up the bathroom is we changed the light switch cover plate, the outlet cover plate. We painted the vanity, put new door handles and hinges on the vanity, new toilet tissue holder. Little things like that can help spruce up your bathroom as well. Total cost of the bathroom, including paint, the shower curtain, and new towels, stuff like that, was probably under $150. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We got more videos to come, so please tune in. We'll catch you next time.